Now we are compacting the road. As you can see, we have started compacting. As you can see now, it have already taken shape. After compacting, we keep on adding more materials so that we can have a good level, a flat surface. So we'll keep on adding materials until the surface is flat. You can see now how he's doing it. He has to exert some pressure for compaction. And after that, we keep on adding more materials. We're also going to put a bit of water to harden the surface.